A domain shows your digital presence, but not everyone likes to pay unless and until they see that they're really getting something out of it. So friends is hashtag, always access granted. And it doesn't matter whether you own a business or you are a blogger or an artist. I'm gonna tell you how can you make use of the Yahoo Small Business Program to get yourself a free domain and start your website from scratch. The steps are pretty simple. All you are gonna need is a credit card or a PayPal account which supports international payment. Now all you gotta do is go to their official website. All the links will be down in the description, so don't worry. Now you're gonna click on start for free and choose your business category. Choose anything which is closely remote to your business category if you're not getting that exact business category. And click on the name of the business. Just select your name and click on continue. Now Yahoo is offering a domain for 1 year with 5 free email addresses, which is pretty good on the side of Yahoo. Although renewal rate is too high, it's $120 per year. And I will be telling you how can you avoid incurring that charges after 1 year. As you can see, for now you have to pay $0 today, and after exactly 1 year you're gonna have to pay. But yeah, watch the video till the end so that you don't incur any charges today or after a year. Now you have to enter your personal details. I'm gonna blur it, don't worry. And continue. Although you won't be able to create any responsive or that kind of websites, static websites are pretty easy with their website builder. And we are gonna select PayPal, and in the PayPal app we are gonna block all the automatic payments so that we don't incur any charges from there. And like you see, total today is 0. Make sure that on your invoice this is written. The offer is valid till December 31st if I'm not wrong, so you can claim your free domain till then. And continue payment. Now you'll be redirected to PayPal page and pay with it. Although if you don't have a PayPal and you want to pay with your credit card, it's pretty simple. Now as you can see, the first option was to claim and verify your free domain. Now you have to do that. You have to select your .com, .net or .org. I've been using this service for more than a month now because I don't just find and tell. I use it. I find it whether is it good or not, or is it worth sharing. And yeah, it was worth sharing. As you can see, in the settings tab there are all the options which you can change. Now as you can see, this is logged. If you want to change the name servers, you have to unlock it so that you can transfer your domain to any other hosting. I suggest Shark Hosting for any beginner because it is pretty cheap and they are offering some good stuff. Links will be in the description for all the hosting which I prefer. You can go and check them out. And yeah, for starters you don't really have to pay too much. Well, you can see which hosting for which price. There will be a link on the cards. And here you can update the name servers. Although if you just want a simple website for your business or something like that, you don't really need to buy a hosting. Yahoo is providing a small website builder which can't really do much things, but yeah, it is not bad. Like you see, this is the template kind of website which I created using Yahoo, or Yahoo created for me as a template. This was pretty simple like you saw. But if you want to use WordPress, Joomla and JavaScript and stuff, you have to buy a hosting of yourself. So this is their website editor. As you can see, this is pretty drag and drop stuff. This is very simple. And if you want to add any A record, MX records, it was the previous page you saw. And now we are gonna talk about the charges that are gonna incur. It is $120 and it will automatically be charged on your credit card or a PayPal which you have added in your account. But you can cancel the recurring subscription, which I will tell you just in about a minute. Yeah, the website editor is so good. You can even see your mobile site in the editor itself. Yeah, Yahoo is doing some pretty great stuff. In your account, my account, go to subscriptions, and here you will see all the things. Now as you can see, there is an active thing. It means that it will charge recurring cost. Now click on renewal info as you can see, it is $120. $120 for a simple domain and a simple hosting which we can't do anything. So yeah, I really do not suggest this to renew after 1 year. It's not worth it. Yahoo, if you are listening, please bro, reduce the cost. Now you are gonna have to cancel it. Click on any reason. Don't worry, it won't cancel your current subscription. It will cancel after 1 year, so that you don't incur any charges today or after a year. So you need not worry. And yeah, as you can see, that service will be discontinued after your current term, and cancel now, and your subscription has been cancelled. Nice. You can just go back and come to this page, and you will see that incurring charges are 0. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments, like the video, and if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, I kind of live stream sometimes, so you can ask me in my live streams or leave a comment down below. I will be happy to help you. Peace out.